Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. It's time, as promised, I will do a shave with the Goodfellas Smile Valynor safety razor. Here's a nice look at it. I'll put a link up here, you can check out the unboxing that I did previously. But let's get right to the shave. I'm going to use a Bic blade. Bic made in Greece, the razor made in Italy. Let's partner them up. Unscrew the handle, top cap, safety bar, blade right over the threaded post and the two pins like so. Reinstall the safety bar. Make sure you have the Made in Italy on the outside. You can see the circle that accepts the handle so you don't put it in backwards. Lock it down. Check out the blade reveal. Perfect on both sides. See that? I have this tub of oud I've been working on, Taylor Bond Street oud. Put it in my Shave Nation bowl, about that much. Here's the bowl. It's got that lather spot. I'm going to just drop that right down into the bottom, like so. The brush is the Simpson's Trafalgar T3. Here's a look at it. Synthetic bristles, beautiful brush. Nice soft tips, feels good on the skin. Just soak that right into the water, like so. Just saturate it. You see the water running off. It's fully saturated. Shake that, pour out the water. We'll go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. Just press the tips into the lather spot, and very, very quickly, you've got lather pouring up around the sides. Just scoop that back in and down. Plenty of lather already in 15 seconds for several passes. Beautiful. All right, let's do it. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is prepped, ready, nice and warm. Let's lather up. Starting on the right, working my way over to the other side. Swirl, paint. Just drive that lather right into the beard. Figure eight, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe, clear the runways. Wet fingers, still easy to grip with these facets, these diamond facets, very easy to handle this razor. Under the hot water, let's find our angle, right side. Very comfortable shaving. It doesn't feel risky. Some razors you feel like you might cut yourself, but this doesn't feel that way. One side filled, flip it over. Very nice. Rinse that. Rinses out super easy. It's got good lather channels on the head. Left side. Start a little lower and work your way up to cut that sideburn. Left. Beautiful. Rinse. Now the mustache. Very compact head, easy to scoop directly under the nose. The handle drops down into the palm. Very comfortable. A quick rinse. Leave the residual cream on there. Grab our brush and bowl. Relather for a second pass. We'll go with just a light coating this time. The bulk of the beard has already been removed. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. First pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll go across. Nice feedback on the razor. You can hear it working. Beautiful, nice. Easy on the rinse out. Shaving cream comes right out. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the grain, under the mustache. Just with the tip. Clean out the hairs directly under the nose, then lay it flat. Beautiful. Rinse that. Let's see what it feels like. Very nice. Nice smooth shave. Let's just hit the cheeks. We'll get these cheeks baby smooth. Just a little bit. This is the skim pass. You don't want to scrape, but you want to skim. So right here it does nothing. Tilt it up a little bit and just till it grabs. As soon as it grabs, that's your sweet spot. Stretching the skin a little bit with the opposite hand. Other side. Rinse. Rinse the razor and then a cold water rinse to the face. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block while the face is damp under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you just shaved. This will give you feedback on your shave. Did you go a little too close? You'll get some stinging. No stinging whatsoever. Cap it, set it off to the side. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Let's apply some Proraso. This is sandalwood, it's the red one, you can see that in the fancy jar. This is a balm, great for those cooler days, which today is. Comes out kind of slow, about that much is all you need. Massage that in the fingertips and then directly to the skin. Good pairing with the oud. Very nice. All right, check it out. Cheeks, mustache, chin, everything baby smooth. Really comfortable shave with this razor. I give this razor really high marks. Number one, it looks fantastic. Like I said previously, it looks like something out of Lord of the Rings. Doesn't it? It looks like it would fit right in. Of course, those gents didn't shave too much, did they? Not back in that day. But it's a beautiful razor. I got a fantastic shave. Aggressiveness, I would put this like 5-6, but very efficient. Like you don't feel like you're gonna cut yourself and you just wind up with a baby smooth shave and very comfortable to hold on to. Drops right in the palm. Just the quick specs. The razor weighs in at 2.75 ounces, or 78 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.62 inches or 92 millimeters. So it's a good sized razor, feels great in the hand, drops in the palm, you can spin it. Beautiful accent between the gold and silver. It's brass, top and bottom, and the rod through the center is brass, and then aluminum on this outer cylinder. By the way, as I showed in the previous vid, you can do this to clean it easily. The rod comes out, and the handle and screws as well. So you know what that's about. You can screw the handle, the cylinder back on. That's the hollow portion right there. I guess you could shave with it like this if you wanted to, but it's much more comfortable with the dial at the bottom with these vertical lines, adding more grip and making it easier to disassemble and reassemble. All right, that's it. Excellent shave provided by this razor. I give it high marks. 2 thumbs up for sure on this razor. Made in Italy, paired with the Bic blade right here, the Bic Platinum, made in Greece. Excellent pairing on this. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.